Rhyme schemes. Rhyming words are words that have the same ending sound. Cat, hat, bat, sat, make, take, fake, sake, same letters and same sound. Boys, noise, go, no, true, through, not the same letters, but same sound. When a poem has rhyming words at the ends of lines, these are called end rhymes. A rhyme scheme is a way of describing the pattern of end rhymes in a poem. Each new sound at the end of a line is given a letter, starting with A, then B, and so on. If an end sound repeats the end sound of an earlier line, it gets the same letter as the earlier line. Here are some poems with different rhyme schemes. The Circus Clown. Mr. Brown, the circus clown, puts his clothes on upside down. He wears his hat upon his toes and socks and shoes upon his nose. The Lizard. The lizard is a timid thing that cannot dance or fly or sing. He hunts for bugs beneath the floor and longs to be a dinosaur. The Fairy in the Wood. I saw a fairy in the wood. He was dressed all in green. He drew his sword while I just stood, and realized I'd been seen. The Rainbow. A rainbow plays in the water spray. It hides in a chandelier. It always seems to find its way through the glass when light is near. Guessing game. Can you guess the missing rhyming words in this old rhyme? It's made of couplets. Every two line have the same rhyme. A wretched man walked up and down to buy his dinner at last he found a wretched, and entered in with modest grace, took off his coat, took off his hat, and wiped his feet upon took out his purse to count his, and found he had but 2 half-cents. The bill of fare, he scanned it through, to see what 2 half-cents would. The only item of them, for 2 half-cents, was 1 fishbowl. So to the waiter he did, and gently whispered, 1 fishbowl. The waiter bellowed down this gentleman here wants 1 fishbowl. The diners looked both one and to see who wanted 1 fishbowl. The wretched man, all ill at ease, said, a little bread, sir, if you. The waiter bellowed down the hall, we don't serve bread with 1. The wretched man, he felt so. He quickly left the dining hall. The wretched man, he went and shot himself until he died.
This is the moral of it. Don't ask for bread with 1 fishbowl.